and having the confidence to show up even when you're scared to do it, that's going to take you so freaking far. And once I realized that all I needed to do was to show up, the game changed for me. I was like, okay, that's all I need to do. Boom. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I actually make money online while traveling and what you need to focus on if you actually want this kind of lifestyle. Let's get into it. My sister, Venon's here. If you want to learn how to show up confidently online, build a brand, and actually make money from it, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. My sister, if you have been following me for a while, I want to say the past 2 years, I've been traveling. I moved to Mexico for a couple months. I think it was like 3-4 months. I moved to France. Now I'm just on my traveling all over America now, even though I've been living in America for so many years. But if you've been following me, you know that I have been doing this for so many years. I've been working online and still able to make money, still able to have this business that's able to fund my lifestyle, pay all my bills. And having a business like this is probably the best thing that I ever did. It didn't happen overnight, but it also didn't happen by accident. The first thing is that I built something that didn't depend on my location. My business doesn't depend on where I'm at, meaning my income doesn't rely on being in one place. It could be if I want. Like, I don't always have to travel. That's why I had to figure out, like, okay, what do I want the most? Like, what do I want? I want freedom. So that's why digital product was like it for me. Digital products and my personal brand. So no matter where I am at in the world, my business can still run. As long as I have Wi-Fi, I have a phone, I have my laptop. So with you, try to understand, okay, what do I want? What is like my goal? Okay, like what do I want? What is your core values? One of my core values is freedom. So that's why I said, okay, digital product is the type of business that I need to have, because with that, it doesn't depend on my location. It doesn't depend on where. Yeah, I can be anywhere, and I literally just need my Wi-Fi. I actually even use my iPad sometimes. Like, you don't even need much. So digital products, so that I can work at a cafe, I can work at I can work anywhere, which I love. The second thing, I stopped creating content for fun, and I started creating content with direction. Every piece of content that I post had to lead, whether it's building trust with my audience, whether it's growing my audience. It just had to lead to an offer somehow. My content has purpose. Like the little pictures that you guys see me post online, that is building trust, that is building consistency, that is building, I want people to kind of like see my lifestyle where I don't have to force things. Like it builds trust. And this is where the funnels comes in. My content is not talking about buy my ebook, buy my this, buy my that. Like if you go to my page, sometimes you don't even know what I do. For years, people didn't know what I do unless they were in my email list. And that's where I sold more of my product. So people wouldn't know, when they're looking on my page, because I don't talk about it like that. There's a specific way on how to do it, which is what I teach, whenever you want to learn funnels. Instead of chasing money and screaming for people to buy things from me, I just built my simple funnels, and it basically did all the work for me. And also, if you want a full breakdown video on funnels, I made it right here. So go ahead and watch this to understand a little bit more about funnels and how funnels work. So go ahead and watch that video. But yeah, I just started turning my content into funnels and building my lifestyle, personal branding. And that's kind of how my product sells in the background, but not like screaming that buy my this, because I can talk about this all day. I love it so much. Point 3 is I kept my business very simple, and I still try to simplify it as much as I can. Running a digital business is actually really hard. Well, when you're starting, it's really hard. And I try to do different things. I made a lot of mistakes. I definitely overcomplicated things as well in the beginning, and it made it even harder for me. Like I've literally done everything. I have used every type of digital, everything, like all the websites, Wix, Shopify, literally everything. I have done it all. Sometimes you have to go through that to get to where you are, So that's I definitely like overcomplicated things in the beginning for it to become simplified, because I'm like, okay, this is not working, let me do this. At the end of the day, I realized that I didn't need to do more. I needed to do what worked, and I needed to do that over and over and over again. I needed to focus on creating, focus on posting, and focus on selling, but in a simplified way. Focus on creating, I needed to focus on like, okay, what kind of videos work? I realized that my short form videos worked, like short form videos, short reels, those work really well. I needed to focus on that those videos didn't have to live on my personal brand page. It could live on my business page, but once in a while, I can add it on my personal page. I needed to focus on YouTube videos because yes, they are the hardest to create, but they are the most, like, you creating YouTube videos, they're gonna live on my page for years and years and years and years, and it's gonna sell me my items over and over and over and over again. Focusing on posting, how many times do I want to post? I realized that, okay, you don't have to post every single day, but you can show up on YouTube at least once a week, or if you're going to do short form videos, maybe do them 5 times a week if you want, so like and then selling, I just had to create a really great funnel and make sure that it doesn't break so that it just sells for me all the time. And I just kept repeating it and doing different ones until I understood what actually worked for me. And that's when I started becoming more consistent. Somebody's knocking at the door. Oh, uh-oh. Hi.
Service you?
Huh? Services? I'm not available right now. I'm sorry. Could you come later? Okay. Be honest. If you could live anywhere right now and still make money, where would you go first? Pause this video now and comment down below and let me know where you would live first. Okay, I want to know. Okay. Oh, I had to eat something. After the girl came to clean the bathroom, I was like, I need to eat. So I took a little food break and I feel like I'm back. I feel like we're back. We're back. I didn't fully eat to be like tired, but just a little something in my stomach. But let's keep going. Okay. The fourth thing is I built funnels. I talked a little bit more about funnels, and this is the number one thing that changed. No, not the number one thing. This is the second most important thing that changed everything for me. I stopped focusing on money and I started focusing on building systems, because money comes and goes, but the systems are going to keep working. So I started building funnels that are going to guide people from my world, from, my social media world to my email list to buying something. That way, even when I'm traveling or just doing regular shit, like it doesn't even have to be traveling, honestly. Because sometimes I don't want to travel. Sometimes I just want to be home in my fucking bed, not doing anything. And the reason why I build a system is so that even when I'm just doing things that I like to do, things that I want to do, my business is still running. My content is still bringing in people. My funnels are still doing the work. And I love it because you only build the funnels and the system one time, and then you don't have to touch it. As long as it's working, you don't have to touch it ever again. So that's the best thing. Like once it works, don't touch it. You can build as many as you want. But you honestly just need one that works really well, and that's it. I actually have a queen that worked with me. And she was able to do this, and now she's traveling. She's a hairstylist. She was really tired of just like, being in one location. She really wanted to move to Thailand to do hair and have a digital business, and she did that, and she's doing amazing. So yeah. And then lastly is I showed up confidently even when it felt scary. This is the most important thing. I had to build the confidence to show up. I'm still building that confidence every single day, because sometimes it is scary too. Because think about it, if I stayed overthinking, scared, and waiting, I would or like waiting till I'm ready, I would not be here. I would not be making this video. I would not be on YouTube talking about this. I would not be on Instagram talking about this. Like, you literally have to have that confidence to show up. That's what I talk about. Like, most of my videos is always going to end up with the confidence, because if you don't have that, you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. Literally, you cannot do anything without the confidence. And having the confidence to show up even when you're scared to do it, that's going to take you so freaking far. And once I realized that all I needed to do was to show up, the game changed for me. I was like, okay, that's all I need to do. Boom. You're scared to do it. It's okay. You know, when you get into cold water and it's freezing at first, you're like, oh my God, this is so cold. I can't do it. After a while, it starts to feel really nice, right? You're like, I like it. After a while, you're like, damn, this feels so amazing. I want to be here all day. That's exactly how it is when you are starting something and you're putting yourself out there. You're scared to do it. It doesn't feel comfortable. It's uncomfortable, right? So that's the same way. After it becomes easy. Like, now it's easy for me to just plop up a camera and just talk about my life, talk about my goals, talk about things that I love and enjoy. It's easy for me, but it wasn't. I was scared. I was so scared, like, to... When I remember when I switched from talking about Modelpreneur, like being a model, to talking about digital products. That's so scary, because that's not... You feel like a fraud, right? It wants me to grow, because I cannot just be a model coach anymore. He wants me to grow. But you have to do it, because you have to show up. So you have to show up even when it's uncomfortable. That's how you're going to build the confidence to actually be able to build this type of lifestyle and do this. So if you're watching this video and you're like, okay, I want this lifestyle, I don't know how to start. And obviously, I got you. Someone actually said that this ebook changed her life right here. And it's going to show you exactly how I do this, like, step by step. It's called How to Create Digital Products and Build a Business That Allows You to Travel the World and Make Money. Okay, it's right here, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Make sure to click. Actually, you can click right here and get the ebook, or it's always in my description box down below. Get it. And yeah, but I hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching this video. And also, if you're someone that has been part of my journey, thank you so much for always supporting me and being here. I truly appreciate it. But other than that, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.